Nice Wanjeri uria oikaine muno ta Mukami wa Ithaga Riene kana Shiro wa Anti-Boss ni akorwo akiumbura ndeto cia kumakania, ndeto cia Kîeha kuri mafans ake, akiuga on November he undu wakorirwo kimuhanikira undu wa Kîeha, no muthenya wa umuthi she has finally found peace. Now she has taken to her Facebook page to share the news with her fans. Akiuga it has not been easy. She has been having a traumatic experience. Okuma November, no muthenya wa umuthi, thanks to her bail letting, thanks to Communication Authority of Kenya, and thanks to Facebook and Meta, she has finally found peace. Na nĩ akorwo akiumbura atĩ kũrĩ mweri 22nd November mwaka ũyũ ũrathirire wa 2022 nĩ akorirwo akilose account yake. Her Facebook account Nice Wanjeri was compromised, was hacked, and all the security details were changed such that she lost access to her account. She lost control over her account na irakorwo ikiyo na ukorwo moko-inĩ ma mundu utaramenyekana. She lost the account na nĩ arakoretwo akigerera ihinda iritũ muno kuona atĩ she had not been able to recover the account kuma November, but today she says by God's grace she has now gained back control and access to her account. Na agakorwo agicokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno kuri her husband letting Kenya, kuri Sam West, kuri Nameless, Muini Nameless, na kuri Maureen Waititu, na oho Communication Authority of Kenya, all who took part in helping her gain back her account and access to her account. Irakoretwo gicompromiso, it was hacked. Na akauga this has been the biggest blow for her in the past year. Now she has now assured her fans that everything is okay, all is well, she is back. Na agakorwo agicokeria mundu wothe urakorirwo reach out kumuria why she went silent, why she has not been active on social media, na kumera thank you muno for reaching out to her, for being concerned about her. Na nĩamacokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno. She took to her Facebook page and also addressed her fans akiuga, good morning fam, on November 22nd 2022 my account was compromised, hacked, and every security detail changed. A traumatic experience that was, but today, courtesy of Communication Authority of Kenya and Meta, I've been able to receive my account back. Special thanks to Letting Kenya, Martin Githinji, Sam West, Kamawajiko, Nameless, and Maureen Waititu for helping out in a big way to secure this account and keep me calm. And also thanks to each and every one of you for reaching out to my inbox when you all noticed the silence. God bless you so much and may you all have a happy new year. Nawapenda sana. Iyo niyo ndumiriri Nice Wanjeri kana Mukami akorwo akirekereria akiuga ndakoretwo ena thayo. It has been a really difficult time for her kuma November, but now she has finally found peace. Her account is now back in her hands, back in her control. Now thanks to God, thanks to everyone who made sure that she has now gained back her account. Na akauga kuri mafans ake othe a big thank you for always reaching out to her kumenya niki she has been inactive, why she went silent. Na now she is back in full swing. Nice Wanjeri akiuga ugo niguo maundu marakiri on her end. That is why she had been inactive and silent on her Facebook, but now she is back. Na akendithiria mafans ake othe a happy new year. Na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.